I'm going to show you basic editing in Word. So the first one I'm going to show you is how to cut, copy and paste. So say we have this paragraph here and we want to cut it and paste it elsewhere in the document. And to cut text from its location, we can do Control X and it will delete it from the current location. And say we wanted it to be here right after, you can hit Control V to paste. Now, say we wanted this duplicated and we were going to do it and add it into a second report, we could select our text, hit Control C, and then wherever it is in that new report, you can then hit Control V and it will paste that text for you that you had copied. If you do need to move text around as well, you can select the text you need to move and say we wanted this paragraph back on top. You can drag it by holding down your mouse and dragging it across to wherever you want it. So I'm going to put it here so it's the first paragraph. So I've put it to the top of the page and I'm just going to let go, and as you see it's moved the whole text. If you do an action and you're not happy with it and you've made a mistake, so say for example I accidentally deleted this full stop but I want it back, or I've done something more extreme, it's like, oh no, I've deleted something really important, you can undo it by hitting Control Z, and you can keep hitting Control Z to revert changes that you make. Now you see here I've gone a little too far back, so I'm going to hit Control Y and that's going to bring it forward one, and that's going to redo the action that you had done on the selection. So it's going to go back through that undo and redo menu. If you need to find some text, you can hit Control F and you'll get your navigation on the left hand side in that pane, and you can search for the word. So I'm going to search for video, and as you see there are 24 results in this document. But say I want to replace the word video with infographic, I can hit Control H and that will bring up the find and replace window. So as you see, it's got the word video in there already, but I'm just going to type in video and I want to replace it with infographic. And once you're happy, I can replace all of them. And as you see, it's made 24 changes, or you can choose it to replace a single word as needed. If I want to select everything within my document, I can hit Control A and it will select everything in my document across my pages. And say you had any spelling mistakes, so I'm gonna try and make one. So this, for example, normally autocorrects, and in this case it's not highlighting, but if you ever need to check your spelling and grammar, you can hit F7 and it will go through and it will check your document for spelling mistakes.